Hi everyone, welcome to day 17 of ARD Countdown series for NABARD Graded 2025 exam. First, let us discuss answers of day 16 and then we will see questions of day 17. तो क्या क्वेश्चंस थे डे 16 के? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था रिगार्डिंग पेरा एंड ओटेरन क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, पेरा एंड ओटेरा क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम क्या होता है? दिस इज द अल्टरनेटिव नेम ऑफ रिले क्रॉपिंग. और रिले क्रॉपिंग में हम करते क्या है? वी सो द सीड ऑफ सक्सीडिंग क्रॉप बिफोर हार्वेस्टिंग ऑफ previous crop, right? The right answer for this question will be option B, broadcasting next crop seed in standing rice crop. Next question was, what is the main objective of companion cropping? So first we need to understand what is the meaning of companion cropping. So in companion cropping we grow the long duration crops, and in between, the space in between the long duration crop is utilized by sowing some short duration crop. उससे क्या होता है? We are increasing the rate of return, we are hastening the rate of return from the land, right? So right answer for this question will be option E, increase or hasten return from land. Third question is allelopathy refers to. Allelopathy क्या होता है students? It is basically a phenomena through which a plant secretes some biochemicals, and these biochemicals inhibit the growth of another plant or crop. Such is called as allelopathy. और इसका right answer होगा option C, biological suppression of one plant by another through biochemicals. Clear? Now let's see questions of day 17. First question is, in which sowing method are seeds scattered randomly on the soil surface? ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन आपके नाबार्ड में भी पूछा गया है. You have to carefully read options and give me answer. Next question is, what is primary advantage of dibbling method of sowing? So first you need to understand dibbling method hota kya hai, and then carefully read all the option and give me answer of the advantage of dibbling method, right? Third question है, during germination the process of seed swelling with water is called. So when we sow the seed, we irrigate field. Why we irrigate it? So that the seed can soak the water and can germinate easily. तो उस process को क्या बोलते हैं, right? Through which seed soak the water and get swelled up. Your options are imbibition, respiration, hydration, capillarity, saturation. So these were your question of day 17. Please do let me know answer in the comment section. Thank you.